Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. My dear students, hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I hope that all of you have enjoyed a very good Eid. Now it's time to turn to your study. So I am today going to take a class of class 2. Our today's topic is revision work, that is lesson 1 RW, and our today's subject is English language. Our today's lecture number 16 and SW number is 15. My dear students, you know that your half yearly examination or the preparatory examination is very coming. So from now you have to revise your lessons very carefully. Today I will show how will you revise lesson 1 for your upcoming exam. Now see, here I have prepared a question for lesson 1 from your Enjoying Grammar book 2. See the question number 1. Here it is said, write 2 proper nouns for each of these common nouns. And the words here, 8 words are given to write the answers. This will be your SW. Okay, see how will you answer? Number 1, A. It is said that you have to write 2 proper nouns for each of these common nouns. So you can write like this way, answer to the question number 1. This is number 1, so you will write answer to the question number 1. Then you will write here A. First A, it was given soap, so you will write only answer in your answer sheet. Then you can give here number 1 and 2, Roman number 1 and 2. And soap, you will write 2 soaps name, first Lux, then Dove. I have written Lux, then Dove. Number B, river. You will write 2 rivers name like this. Number 1, Podda. Number 2, Meghna. You have to be very careful with the spelling. P-A-D-M-A, Podda, M-E-G-H-N-A, Meghna. Then number C, said to write 2 language name. So you will write number 1, Bangla, and number 2, English. B-A-N-G-L-A, Bangla, E-N-G-L-I-S-H, English. D, day. So you can write today, Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday. And E number, month. We can write May, June. May, June. Number F, you have to write 2 chocolates name. You can write Amul, then Kit Kat. Amul, Kit Kat. Then number G, 2 cities name. So you can write here Dhaka, Khulna. Dhaka, Khulna. 2 girls name. You can write Kobita, Bobita. Kobita, Bobita. Okay. Now see number 2. It is said, identify and write down the common nouns and proper nouns from the following sentences. Number A. So what you have to do first, you have to understand, we have to find out 2 noun, that is common noun and proper noun from this sentence. Do you remember what is the common noun and proper noun? Yes. Common nouns are the names of any things or person or place. On the contrary, proper noun is the name of any special things, special place, or anything special. That is called proper nouns. So now we will write the names of proper noun and common nouns from these sentences. Number A, my aunt lives in Chennai. So here, which one is common and proper? My aunt. Aunt is the common noun, and Chennai, this is the proper noun. So we will write in the column of proper noun, we will write from A. I have written the answer from A, that is Chennai. And in common nouns, I have to again write the number. You have to again write the number because sometimes you may mistake the number with the words. So you have to again write the number here, that is A. And what is the common noun in number A? Aunt. Aunt. Okay. Number B. This is my dog Rambo. This is my dog Rambo. So here dog is the common noun and Rambo is the proper noun. So how will we write? Number B, Rambo. In proper nouns column we will write Rambo, and in common nouns column we will write dog. Number C, the river Yamuna flows through Delhi. Here river, this is a common noun. Yamuna, this is a proper noun, and Delhi also proper noun. So in number C, I have written Yamuna, comma, Delhi, and common nouns we have to write the word river. River, okay? Like this way we will answer, and don't forget to write the mention the number of the question. Mention the number of the question. Number D. Amit forget to post the letter. Here I have written D and the proper noun is Amit and common noun is here later. Number E. Maya has read many books. Maya, this is proper, and book, this is common. So I have written Maya in proper noun column and common noun column books. Maya and books. Okay. Number F. Paris is the capital of France. Here Paris and France, these are the proper nouns. These are the proper nouns. And capital, this is the common noun. And we have to mention the number F. Now number G. My mother bakes delicious cakes. Here mother is the common noun. Cake is also common noun. So I have written mother and cakes and it will be in under G. It will be in under number G. Then the H number. The children are playing. Here children, this is a common noun. Children is a common noun. So my dear students, you must be careful putting the correct words in correct column with correct numbers. Okay? The correct column in correct words, the correct words in correct column with correct numbers. You must be very careful. Okay? I hope that you will practice very well for your upcoming exam. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.